Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to transfer money from your Steam account to your Paysafecard, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to discuss about it. Actually, if I give you an answer straight card, then the answer is unfortunately, Steam not allowed to transfer money from Steam to any other platform. Once you have transferred money to any other platform like PayPal or your credit card or bank account or Paysafecard to your Steam account, then you actually can't transfer that money from Steam to any other platform. So that's when you actually can transfer your money from Steam to your Paysafecard. The only thing that you can do is only you can purchase items from Steam using your Paysafecard, or you can sell your items, or you can sell your Steam if you want to get back your money for any reason. Then you can sell your Steam account if you have money available on your Steam account, just like this. If I go to the store here and go to my account here, sorry, not that, view my wallet, and if you have enough credit, that you have enough credit and item available in your Steam, then it has a price, it has a value that you can sell your Steam account to get the money back to your Paysafecard. Then you can just sell that to this account to a person and you can get that money. You ask that person to transfer the prize money to your Paysafecard and you can get that money. Or otherwise, there is no direct way or method to transfer money from your Steam account to your Paysafecard. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.